Welcome back to the No Space, No Problem series. I'm Simone and I'm the founder of Popping for Parkinson's. Let's go. This episode is Timings Part 2. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, make sure you check them out on the channel. Okay, first timing of the day is called Fresno time or double pops. Okay? And it goes like this. You take a pose and you hit it twice. Remember, it's about pasta and sauce. The pasta is the pose. Whatever the pose is, it doesn't matter for now. Boom. You can improvise that. And remember, the sauce and the hit, the pop, is the contraction of the muscles to the beat and rhythm of the song. So you literally just make the muscle. Okay? So let's try. So you choose one pose and you go pop, pop, change, pop, pop, change, pop, pop, change, pop, pop, change, boom, ka, 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 boom, ka. Yes? That's Fresno timing or double pops. Second timing of the day is called single pops, which, guess what? You just choose a pose. It's like double timing, but instead of hitting the pose twice, you just hit it once. So it goes, choose the pose and pop it, change the pose, pop it, change the pose, pop it, change the pose, pop it. So it goes pop, 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 boom, ka, 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 boom, ka. Yes? Remember to breathe, it's quite tiring, I have to say. Okay, so remember there's a lot of pasta and a lot of sauce. Okay, we want to have a nice complete meal and dish, and it has to be tasty and nice. As an Italian, I want that minimum. Okay, so third timing of the day is called ticking. What you basically do is like a single pop and you double that. Okay, so instead of going 1, 1, 1, 1 in terms of timing, you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you double that. So 1 E, 2 E, 3 E, 4 E, 5 E, 6 E, 7 E, 8. That's quite tricky and tiring. Okay, so remember to keep breathing. Let's give it one more try. One more time. 5, 6, we go. Pose, 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 pop, 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 boom, bap, boom, boom, bap, bap, boom, boom, bap, boom, ka, ka. 1 and 2 E, 3, 4 E, 5 E, 6 E, 7 E, 8. Yes? So let's revisit all of them one more time. So we go from double pop to single pop to ticking. Ready? 5, 6 double pops, we go. Double pop, Fresno timing. 1, 2, change 1, 2, change 1, 2, change 1, 2, change 1. Now we're going to singles. So we go single, 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 pop, 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 pop. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we go with the ticking. Ticky, 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 pa, 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 pa. 1 E, 2 E, E, 4 E, 1. Boom, boom, pa, 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 pa. Woo! Awesome. Last timing of the day is called vibration. And guess what? We just vibrate. We literally shake. You can also think of it as ticking doubled. So instead of going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, you go 1 E, N, E, 2 E, N, E, 3 E, N, E, 4 E, N. So there's a lot there, okay? Now the sauce might not be necessarily all straight pops. So really just focus on vibrating and shaking, okay? But that does not mean just doing whatever, okay? We really still want to have the sense of pasta and sauce. Okay, so the pasta of choosing a movement, yes, being free about that, whatever. And the sauce on top being vibratory. And the dynamic being a vibration dynamic, okay? So let's try, this is kind of tiring, so just, you gotta practice that, okay? Whew, let's go. Tiring as hell. Make sure you breathe, and you're gonna feel stupid at first, and that's totally fine, okay? It's a matter of practicing, okay? What we do now is putting everything together. Double pops, single pops, ticking, vibration. Whoo! Without the music, and then with the music. Let's try. Starting with double pops. Ready? 5, 6, we go. Double pop, double pop, double pop, double pop. Fresno timing. Boom, boom. Now singles. We go single, 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 single. Boom, 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 boom. Now ticking, ticking, ticking. Now vibration, we go tiki tiki ta, 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 tiki tiki ta. Woo! Good. Let's try that with the music. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Double pop, single pops, ticking, vibration. Here we go. Doubles. Okay, so in this episode and in the last episode, you learned all the possible timings within popping dance, which again we're slow motion, remember, air pose, A to B, breathe, A to B, breathe. Then it was dime stops, go stop, go stop, go stop. Then it was doubles, double, double, 1, 2. Then it was singles, single, 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 single. Then it was ticking. 1 and 2, E3, E4, E5, E7, 8. Vibration. Tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta. Okay? Now, this was sort of an exercise, but then you just play the music and you play with those timings all together and let the music move you. This is an example. Let's go. Remember, just be playful. That's great. Now again, if you feel stupid at first, that's totally fine. I've been doing this for 18 years and to this day sometimes I feel stupid. But again, it's about making sure that you're playful and you allow yourself to be silly, but remember, never be silly about it. Okay? Having fun is a serious business. Thank you very much for tuning in to this episode. In the next episode, we're gonna focus on different styles so you can really experience freedom with different styles and different body languages. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and we'll answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this tutorial, please make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, thank you very much. I'm Simone, founder of Popping for Parkinson's, and I'm out. Peace.